I don't think this is something you could learn off of videos. It gave me a lot of knowledge the first day of the industry, further insight of how I want to run my business. But now I feel like I could go tackle on the whole car by myself.
My name is Anthony Garcia, and the reason why I'm here is because I want to get my own business, rapping.
My name is Brian Mills. I'm from Tucson, Arizona, and I'm here for the rap class.
I'm Sean from Kalispell, Montana, and I'm here to get certified in vinyl rap.
My name is Stephen Combs Jr. I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas. The reason why I'm here was to try something different, experience something new. I have previous experience on other cases like body work. I wanted to try something different, and color change rap is one of the fastest industries that I like to see and I want to grow into.
So I know in New York it's like, there's a lot of shops over there, but it's not really like, the best out there. So I decided, I want to come here and just learn.
I started searching online and just got away from just quick videos like YouTube or things like that. I just wanted to find something professional and something that was going to teach me from start to finish.
I don't think this is something you could learn off of videos. It gave me a lot of knowledge the first day of the industry. Well, that's something you got to know about too, because you don't want to lose out on money. You got to know what your pricing and everything's going to be. Just the first day he explained all that, and it helped out a lot, and it gave me just a further insight of how I want to run my business.
At first I thought you're supposed to apply a lot of heat on it and just put it there, but you can just take it out, fill it out, and put it there, and just put a little bit of heat and you should be fine. Cutting, it was a little hard because you don't have to like scratch the paint or go deep. And like the techniques and the corners and all of that was, I think I really learned a lot.
Yeah, just getting the feel for it, knowing how much pressure and weight to put on the knife and when to snap your blades off is great. It was like super simple and probably easier than doing it that way with all the heat, and obviously you wind up with a better product in the end.
The corners was one of the things for me, how it's almost kind of a simple way to come at it and attack it and be able to put it in professionally and just not leave anything out and make sure you follow each steps.
Seeing the examples of what not to do, how not to do it, plenty of one-on-one time with the instructor, and if you have a question, it gets answered real quickly.
It was great. It was a great experience. I appreciate his time and his efforts. He actually took time and answered all the questions we need and took extra time to show us repeated steps if we needed.
I felt like we had a good class, a good team, and all of us clicked and worked together, helped each other out, and got it done. I like that.
I feel very confident. I feel like I learned a lot, and I probably know a lot more than people who've been doing it for a couple of years, maybe.
The information was perfect for me. Everything was just clear for me. I feel like I do a good job now.
Like the first day, like I said, I came in nervous and not knowing nothing about the industry really. But now I feel like I could go tackle on the whole car by myself.
I'm Sean from Kalispell, Montana. I work for Sway.us. Come down here and take the class and change your life.
My name is Anthony Garcia, all the way from New York, and I really recommend people to take this class. They really helped me a lot, and the knowledge was just straightforward.
My name is Brian Mills. I'm from Tucson, Arizona. My business is Formula Mills LLC, and I highly recommend this rap class and also even the other classes like I would come back for.
Once again, my name is Stephen Combs Jr. I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas, and this has been one of the best professional experiences I've been in, and I encourage anyone to come out and try it.